Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is our empty house tour. This is our open kitchen with a living room. Yes, as you can see, this is a staircase to upstairs where the bedrooms are. So when you're here, this is my master bedroom. As you can see, it has a window to window curtain rods. This is our wardrobe yetu imeshikana kutoka huku na huku. Then hapo tuko na shower, tuko na soap holder. So when you're coming this other side, this is the bathroom. Down here, I forgot to show you, this is our washing area. Our washing area is here, so we don't have a washing area upstairs. It's just at the entrance when you're coming to the door like this. So this is our veranda or our chilling area, and then tunaingia kwa nyumba, si ndio guys? Yes, I love the tiles. The tiles, they're so amazing. Zina shine kabisa, and they're so adorable. So guys, yes, and our pantry, we also have a small pantry down here. We can put our things. It can be used as a store. Yes, so I think I know what I'll be using here. And then this is our open kitchen. Our cabinets are there. The slab is so big. At last we are going to enjoy the kitchen area. Yes, and the window is also big. Light inaingia vizuri kabisa. It's so nice. So the wardrobes, the drawers ziko hapo pia. Our slab is black. It's black in color, as you can see. Yes, that is a place where tunaweka gas. Yes, I love the wall tiles in the kitchen, so round. Even the tap, the kitchen tap of water tuko nayo hapo. Maji iko throughout. We don't have problem here with the water. Yes, so that is it for our kitchen plus our living room. Yeah guys, so comment down below, let me know what you think about the space. Tell me how we'll arrange. So let us go up. So tukiingia hapa hivi, we want to start with my master bedroom. My master bedroom is here. This is my master room. Yes, as you can see, the window curtain itatoka from wall to wall. Yes, that's how we will do that. And then hapo hivyo cabinets zetu zimekuwa well fit from wall to wall pia. I love it. I can't wait guys. Wow, at last. God ujibu maombi. You see how God works. So this side, yes, hapo hivyo nitaweka kamera yangu hapo ya kufanya makeup. Those are the wardrobes. Tuko na enough wardrobes, so hatutasumbuana na swiri, so we are good. Yes, then let me show you the bathroom. The bathroom here, this is our master bathroom. I love the shower. The shower inamwaga maji vizuri sana. So kuna mirror hapo ndani, kuna how do you call this thing? The shower what? The shower I don't know guys, comment down below. Yes, hii ndio place ya kuweka soap yangu ndakuwa naeka hapo hivyo. Hii ni sink yake iko poa, iko na mpaka hiyo the splashing water ile ya maji. Yes, so that is how my master bedroom looks like guys. Comment down below, tell me what you will want me to do in the house. So let me take you to my kids' room. So this is their bathroom. This is their bathroom plus guest washroom. We don't have a washroom downstairs, so this is the kids' bathroom, similar like ours. Yes, so this is their sink. Yeah, see their sink. This is the toilet. Wakombaka na hiyo splash. Yeah, so this is how their bathroom looks like, guys. Yes, it's so amazing. So this is the first room. Yeah, my house girl. So it's not so small, but at least it's enough for them. Yeah, so this is the second room. The wardrobes are there. It's enough for her. So that is how the room looks like, guys. Comment, guys. A lot was happening. That's why we went silent, and settling was hard. So guys, this is now our second room, the boys' room. So this is my Trevin's room. This is how it looks like. Yes, they're just directly opposite each other. Yeah, so hivyo ndo venye inakaa, the wardrobes. Yes, so this is the small corridor of their house. Guys, thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much for referrals, for those who referred me finally mpaka nikapata nyumba. Asanteni sana. So guys, keep tuned. Continue watching my video. Tell me what you want us now to do. Okay guys, bye bye.